Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and immediately enabling airplane mode so radios stop interfering. Once done, make sure you manually re-enable Wi-Fi from the quick panel or settings. This separates cellular from Wi-Fi operation. You should also toggle Bluetooth only if needed for peripherals. Why this order? Because enabling airplane mode first forces the system to shut cellular, then turning Wi-Fi on gives you a clean connection state without stray mobile data. Now proceed to select a network. You now connect to the Wi-Fi network like a normal Wi-Fi only device. Open Wi-Fi settings, scan for the SSID, and enter the password. If supported, use QR or WPS to speed the process. Once connected, make sure DHCP assigns an IP. If not, set a static IP with proper gateway and DNS. This matters because with cellular off, Wi-Fi handles all traffic. After connection, verify internet by loading a lightweight web page or pinging a server to confirm routing. You finish by validating that apps and browsers access the internet while airplane mode remains on. Test streaming, sync, and updates to ensure DNS and gateway are correct. If you see no internet, first toggle Wi-Fi off and on. If that fails, forget the network and reconnect with the password. Make sure airplane mode is still enabled. If problems persist, restart the phone. And as a last resort, reset network settings. This clears conflicts and restores normal Wi-Fi behavior without cellular.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.